Hello students, today I am going to discuss with you one more string program. The question is like this: write a program to enter a sentence and print only those words started with vowel. So here in last class we have discussed how to print the words which one is started with capital A or small a, alphabet A. So now I am going to start program how to print those words which one is started with vowel. So first we will write import java.util dot asterisk, then class str5, then public static void main. After that scanner class, scanner in is equal to new scanner system.in. After that I will just declare the variables like string s for first to store the string, and another one to find out that word which one is first we have to extract the word, so for that w. Okay, and then I will initialize with space, and after that I will take int I to run the loop, int l to find the find the length, and after that one more variable I will take char b to extract the letters. Okay, now we will just enter the word. So system.out.println, system.out.println, print ln, enter 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 a sentence okay, and after that here we will start for I is equal to 0, I is less than, sorry, first we have to enter the sentence. So s is equal to in dot next line, we are entering the sentence, and after this I am going to add a space because we are going to extract the word. So at last at end of the sentence we are going to add a space, then l is equal to s dot length. Now I have got the length of that sentence, then I am going to start my loop. For I is equal to 0, I is less than L and I plus plus, and after that I will extract one by one later. B is equal to S dot caret I. Okay, now in B one character has come. After that I will check B is not equal to space. B is not equal to space, then I am going to store that one in W. Which one is will be give me a word. After that in else part, when that word is totally extracted and I am going to get a space, then I will print, I will come to else part, and in else part what I have to go, I have to find out first character of this W, first character of this word W. So here I will write directly if W dot char at 0, okay, equals to a, capital A, then again W dot char at, you can even take one another variable, and 0 is equal to small a, then again W dot char at caret 0 is equal to E, or W dot caret 0 equal to small e, or again W dot caret 0 equal to u, or w dot caret 0 equal to I, okay, or w dot caret 0 equal to capital I. So how many character already? A, E, U, then I, then I am going to check again, or w dot caret equal to E हो गया. Now it is O, okay. Now or w dot caret equal to caret 0 equal to small o, okay. So if I am going to check for this 10 times I have written the vowel to check, you can take w dot caret 0 in one more variable, like B we are storing a character, you can take C and you can store the character, and in place of this long statement you can write if C is equal to A, C is equal to small a, C is equal to you can write when that also. And here if it is there, then system dot out dot println what is going to be printed? W, because W is my word and which one is started with the vowel which one I have checked here. And after that I am making that W is space, because next word also I am going to store here and my program is over. This for loop will be over here. Then I am going to give 2 more curly braces in down, where we can complete this program, that public void main and class string, that both the things is going to be over, okay. So in this part what I have done, I have taken the word separately, and after that I have extract the word separately in W, and after that from the W word I have taken that 0 position character, and that character 0 position character I have checked with the vowels. If it is a vowel, then it is going to be print that word, otherwise it is going to be going for next iterations, and it will be take another word for checking. So in this way you can print only the word which one is started with the vowel. I hope you have understood this, okay. Then bye.